Yeah guys, welcome to my channel once again. So on the last video I had the app on the PC, but I didn't show the app on the phone. So here it is. I don't know if you can see. Here is the app on the phone. This is the living room, a kitchen, a bedroom, a storeroom. So I'm gonna start with the living room. So here's the living room. Then the living room has a light, and it has a camera, a light and a camera. So then if I press this one, the light should be on. So when I click again, it should be off. So this is a live camera. So I haven't connected the camera yet. Let me show you. This is the type of the camera I'm going to use. So I'm going to use, but yes, this is the camera I'm going to use. So let's say if I want to check my other rooms, then there is a home button down there, as you can see. So when I press this button, home button, you see it's going back. Then I go to the kitchen. Here's the kitchen. There will be a camera over here. Then light, camera. Then if I want to check another room, I just press home.